Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today I am here to present drug fexofenadine on behalf of my group Fex Hawks. So first of all we have history of fexofenadine. Fexofenadine was first synthesized in 1993 by Massachusetts based biotechnology company Septacor, now which is a part of Sanofi Aventis. By moving forward, how it was discovered. Fexofenadine was discovered in 1970 by the scientist Hodges Marion Rossel, which is now part of Sanofi. So basically, it was originated from terfenadine, which has tertiary amine functional group attached to the nitrogen atom. So fexofenadine contain all the biological activities of terfenadine. By moving forward, here is introduction of fexofenadine. So fexofenadine is a metabolite form of terfenadine, and it is a second generation antihistamine. It was approved in 1996, which is used to treat seasonal allergies. So what is the mechanism of action? Fexofenadine is the H1 receptor antagonist, which are present in different cells in our body. So in comparison to first generation antihistamines, it doesn't cross the blood-brain barrier and cause drowsiness to a lesser extent. So here is a diagrammatic view of mechanism of action. So first of all we have antigen which attaches to the antigen presenting cell, which triggers the B cell to release antibodies. So antibodies release histamines, which attaches to the H1 receptor and cause allergic symptoms. So fexofenadine basically blocks the release of histamine or prevent the activation of H1 receptor and reduces the risk of allergic symptoms. By moving forward, we have pharmacokinetics. So basically, fexofenadine is mostly rapidly absorbed in oral administration. So how it is distributed in the body? It has 60 to 70% plasma protein binding. So fexofenadine is metabolized in the body by liver and eliminated in feces, and its half-life is increased in patients with renal diseases. So we already have discussed its mechanism of action. So here we have pharmacodynamics. Fexofenadine is a selective H1 receptor antagonist, blocking the activation of H1 receptor or preventing the release of histamine from the mast cells. So here are the uses of fexofenadine. It is used to treat seasonal allergies like allergic rhinitis, allergic conjunctivitis, dermatitis, eczema, food allergies, all are treated by fexofenadine. So fexofenadine have some interactions through the drug, food, disease, and pregnancy. So if we give fexofenadine in combination with drug, so it may reduces the dose of the fexofenadine in the body. If we have a disease, it may cause the lowering in the action of the fexofenadine. So fexofenadine is given in combination like fexofenadine and pseudoephedrine, in which fexofenadine has 120 milligram and pseudoephedrine have 60 milligram content. By moving forward, it is usually given in tablet form in the dose of 60 milligram to 120 milligram and 180 milligram. It is usually not given in children under 12 years. So by moving forward, toxicity of fexofenadine causes the adverse effects like headache, epistaxis, which is the bleeding of the nose, asthma, which is the bronchial muscle spasm and back pain, and more, including the GIT symptoms. So fexofenadine efficacy in comparison to the cetirizine is more like it doesn't cause the drowsiness and don't cross the blood-brain barrier. So overdose of the fexofenadine causes dizziness, dry mouth, and drowsiness. It is usually contraindicated in patients which are hypersensitive to the fexofenadine. So prescription of fexofenadine is usually comes in the form of tablets. It is available in pharmacies in 180 milligram tablets to 120 milligram.